guys, let's get into the basics of caper. Now if you saw Cam's recent tutorial on the deck flip, then you should know the basics of the move already, because essentially you will be taking a deck flip and adding that into a charlier cut. Now before we get into the move, I want to teach you a little extension to the charlier that I like to use in this cut. So essentially you're just going to do a normal charlier, and instead of closing it outright, you're going to be doing a little extension that looks like this. So to do that extension, simply do a charlier, and before you close it, you're going to move your ring finger on top of that bottom packet to let the top packet fall on top of your ring finger. And then take your pinky and middle finger and let those rest on top. And sort of adjust that top packet over a bit with your thumb, and you should be able to extend that packet out like so. And from here, use your pointer finger to push up on this packet onto your thumb, curl this packet back in, and close. Or you can also do it like this. And that's the basis of the move. And then to finish caper, we are simply going to add a deck flip into that movement. So let's do that now. Alright, so now that we are in our front view, let's go over that move one more time. So again, you're just going to do a normal charlier cut. Bring your ring finger on top of that bottom packet, let the top packet fall on top, grab with your ring and middle finger, and adjust with your thumb to extend the packet out. Pinky finger below, thumb on the side, and execute that modified deck flip. Push back up with your pointer finger to let this packet go back down, and either close outright or snap this up the rest of the way and close. And it is as simple as that. Caper is a very basic move, but it's a nice little way to spice up your normal charlier if you're looking for an extra extension to that. So enjoy, and be sure to tag Organic Playing Cards in any performances that you post of it. All right, see you guys.